Let's continue master AWS Glue. In this, let's discuss a remove duplicates transformation team. Usually, our input source may contain duplicate records. Duplicate records. So we may get this usual requirement team. So before persisting this data into target location, before persisting this data into target, using glue, using glue, first remove duplicates, and then finally persist output into target. Okay, using AWS glue, we delete all duplicate records, row by row comparison, row by row comparison. Let's say we have 1 billion records, or we have multiple records. If we take other technology, it may take long time to process row by row comparison. That's what we are going for this AWS Glue to perform fast comparison. So it uses parallel and distributed computing so that it compare row by row. It compare any number of rows parallelly. That's why you are going to get a response very faster. Let's see how we can implement this uh, implementation. Go to AWS Glue. Okay. So go to AWS Glue editor. Go to ETL jobs. Okay. Click on Visual ETL. Then give a title to this one. Let's say remove duplicates ETL job. Remove duplicate ETL job.py. Then go to job details and add IAM role. Then click on Save button. Go to script and click on Edit script. Click on Confirm. Okay. Just take your program. Take your program. So first you need to add these transformation details within this job. Okay. See here. Move this import from here to imports location. You can use import anywhere, but recommended use all import as a first. Then here, see, we are connecting this database. We are connecting this employees to table. Employees to table contain a duplicates. Let's go my input location. Let me go to C drive. Let me go to datasets. Let me go to AWS Glue. Here, let me take one employees to file. In this employees to file, we have duplicates. 101 repeated 3 times, 102 repeated 3 times, 103 repeated 2 times, 104 repeated 3 times, 105 repeated 3 times. My requirement is I want to delete all these duplicate records. So first what I am going to do in S3 location in my buckets S3 glue here under I am creating one folder called employees 2 then create a folder. In this folder I am uploading my file, local file. I am uploading this local file into S3 location. Okay. Then click on close. Go to Glue data catalog. Go to crawler and create a crawler. Create a crawler. Then crawler name employees two employees two underscore crawler. Then click on next button, add a data source, select a S3 file location and select this AWS Glue and select employees to folder. Okay, then click on choose, then click on add data source, click on next button, select a Glue, IAM role, then click on next button, then select a database, then click on next button, then click on create a crawler, then click on run crawler, go to crawlers, refresh, you are going to see a new crawler. It is running and it is going to connect your S3 file and identifies column names, identifies data types and persist that meta information into Glue data catalog. Let's wait to complete this one. Yeah. So crawler is completed, almost completed. Go to AWS Glue, go to uh, tables. You can see table called employees to. Okay. Then go to your script. Okay. Then here we are pointing this table. Now table is existed. Then how we are dropping duplicates? See, in PySpark, we have a drop duplicates transformation. You just give drop duplicates, then it will delete all duplicates. It will compare row by row. If same row is replicated in input file, it will delete. Okay. Then finally, we are writing output into this bucket employee drop duplicates folder with Parquet format with snappy compression. Let me save this program. Let's run this program. Go to runs. Let's wait a few seconds to complete this one. If there are no errors, then it will uh, status become succeeded. Once it is succeeded, then we are going to verify in our glue under glue outputs. Under outputs, it is going to create a folder called employee and hyphen duplicates, removed duplicates with this name. Yeah, let's wait a few more seconds to complete glue job till. Yeah. So observe here, we got error saying syntax error, invalid syntax, line number 7. Go to script and go to line number 7. Go to line number 7 from AWS Glue dynamic frame, import dynamic frame and see what is the error here. Go to runs. So syntax error, invalid syntax. Okay, okay, yeah, yeah. Let me modify this one. Import. Okay, then save this one. Rerun this job. Let me change in our code also. Let's save this one. Let me go to runs. So this pointed failed one, select running one. You can see running one logs. You can click on logs. You are going to see process of running your Glue job. Click on run details. Click on run details. Let's wait for completing this Glue job. Meanwhile, let's remove this generated file. Yeah, we already removed, right? Let's wait a few seconds. Yeah. So job is succeeded. Go to S3 location, refresh. You can see folder called employees hyphen dropped hyphen duplicates. Click on this one. Select this Parquet file. Click on download. Okay. Go to Parquet viewer. Let's try to upload a new file. Click on this one. Then select this file. Click on viewer. Now you can see only original values. Earlier we seen with duplicates, but now you are seeing only unique values. Okay. Clear writing? How to delete a drop duplicates?